With CaptainCasa RapidApp, you create your business or enterprise application with low-code speed, still having all flexibility you know from server-side Java processing. Base of all is CaptainCasa Enterprise Client, an environment by which you can create demanding web applications by just using Java. No JavaScript, no HTML, no CSS, no specific web know-how is required. Server-side Java is enough to implement demanding scenarios. What you do is you define a layout by using a visual editor, and you plug the server-side Java processing to this layout. Big dialogues are sampled out of small ones, so at the end you might come up with scenarios like this one, a user workplace. First thing you think about when developing your application are these dialogues that really add value to the users. Reality is that there are typically a couple of relational tables containing important master and control data that are the base of your application. All this data requires some input and editing, so your application must provide a lot of, let's call them boring screens to do so. These are the screens that show lists of items on the left, detail on the right, and the user input is checked for consistency. CaptainCasa RapidApp is an environment in which all this base of the application is created without any coding. You define the entities, their attributes, and their relations, and all the rest is created by drag and drop out of this metadata. The table definitions, the data access objects, the controller objects for keeping the logic, and finally the dialogues for showing and editing the data. By using RapidApp, you quickly define the boring part of your application so that you can jumpstart with these screens that are the demanding ones. CaptainCasa combines low-key code speed with Java flexibility. Do not spend your project time and budget with developing boilerplate code, but concentrate on these screens which make your application. And be surprised about the quality behind the so-called boring screens. Issues like REST APIs for data access, export-import of data, authority management, tracing of changes, printing PDF generation. All these issues are included within the RapidApp environment. Check out CaptainCasa Enterprise Client, the Java framework for web applications, together with RapidApp, the low-code framework for data dialogues on top. Please find much more information and many video tutorials within our webpage. Thanks for watching.